given image is executed in two stages. Firstly, the user input image is read and the objects touching one another are segmented. Secondly, the features of the detected object in an image is matched with predefined features in the database for the purpose of shape recognition. The proposed method can be summarized in the following steps. Number 1. Using the technique of morphological operations, the problem of oversegmentation among various objects like square, rectangle, and circle are avoided. Number 2. After recognizing the objects, they are labeled within the image. To give further explanation of the first point, that is the oversegmentation avoidance, in this technique, the problem of oversegmentation is avoided and the overlapping areas are segmented to extract object boundaries within an image. To implement this technique, the input image in RGB format is read by the user. The read image is converted to grayscale format, and from grayscale it is converted to binary image format. The binary image obtained is inverted to quicken the processing time. To erode the objects from all the sides, morphological operation is implemented and the small radius boundaries are enhanced along the object edges. The following slide gives a brief description about the erode function presented in the project. The second point in the algorithm is the recognizing and object labeling. In this algorithm, shape identification of objects is the final stage when the objects are segmented from each other. Filtering technique is used to implement this process. Object properties like object corners, sensitivity factor, and absolute difference between the length and breadth are needed for shape prediction of various objects. Finally, using these parameters, the input image objects are coordinated with the predefined features in the database for the purpose of shape recognition. The following slide gives a brief view about the object properties. The objects considered here are circle, triangle, polygon, square, and rectangle. The following slide gives an array and a color map matrix of the input image. Using the process of direct mapping of pixel values, an indexed image color maps the values. The image pixel color is determined by using the x corresponding value as an index. The value of x is set to a scalar range 250 to 0 since the RGB image has an index value of 255. The value of x is set in a loop which decrements by value of 5. The scalar value x matches with the object index value. The particular object shape is said to be detected. The image obtained is then converted to binary form. Using morphological operations, the converted binary image is processed to eliminate the oversegmented area. As a result, only the required regions of the image are retained. The image below represents the segmented object image. Then, the binary image consisting of connected components are detected. As a result, the image foreground which contains the main objects are extracted. Finally, by application of feature extraction process on the detected shapes, the required shapes are obtained using the shape recognition algorithm. From the final figure represented in the next slide, it can be inferred that based on initial objects in the image, each object is labeled appropriately based on feature matching. Hence, the final recognition results are as shown in the slide. On a concluding note, in the study of morphological operations, the problem of oversegmentation in objects is taken into account. By taking into account the mathematical object properties like object corners, sensitivity factor, and absolute difference between length and the breadth, the structural information of the object is extracted. Based on these information, the process of shape recognition is implemented. The following is the analysis of experimental results. The two different types of algorithms that can be explored for the process of shape recognition were discussed. For the purpose of detection of deformities in an integrated circuit, the morphological operations technique is proposed to be employed. For coding purposes, MATLAB was used. The following steps were implemented for recognizing various shapes, that is, rectangles, squares, and circles in our case, and processing them to obtain the final recognized set of objects in the image, which could be used for comparison with the desired specifications of an integrated circuit. Step 1. Read the input image. In our case, the image containing shapes of an integrated circuit surface. Step 2. Conversion of image from input RGB format to grayscale format. Step 3. Conversion of image from grayscale image to binary image format. Step 4. Conversion of image from binary image format to inverted binary image to speed up the processing time. Step 5. Erosion of objects from all the sides using morphological operation. Step 6. Implementation of no-holes function to eliminate the noise followed by shape classification to obtain a final output image. In our project, it is considered that the shapes under consideration are rectangle, square, and circle. Hence, it can be seen in the figure that only the square, circle, and rectangle are detected. Other shapes such as oval and other undescribed shapes are not detected by this algorithm. The analysis section. As seen in final output image, rectangle, square, and circular shapes in the final output image are detected, thereby exhibiting the process of shape recognition. For extending this shape recognition application for detecting deformities in an integrated circuit, the input image to be processed is the image containing shapes of an integrated circuit surface. After following these steps, the final output image obtained containing the detected shapes of an input image can be used for comparison against the desired specifications of an integrated circuit. If the detected shapes match the desired specifications, the integrated circuit is error-free. Else, the integrated circuit has deformities. Conclusion. Shape recognition is an important research division in the field of pattern recognition. Shape recognition can be extended to numerous applications, and the project proposes one such application. The paper discusses about computer vision and morphological operations for implementation of a proposed idea. The experimental results section demonstrates the experimental results obtained using morphological operations technique. MATLAB was used to code the image processing progression, and the final output image successfully detected the shapes under consideration. As per the project proposal, the detected shapes can be used for evaluation against the desired specifications, thereby verifying the integrated circuit fabrication process. Owing to the efficiency of the proposed shape recognition technique, the process is fast and can yield accurate results when extended for our application. I would like to extend my profound thanks to Professor Dr. Dapang Oliver Wu for giving me an opportunity to work on this project and for constant encouragement and support. I would like to extend my thanks to University of Florida and my department, Electrical and Computer Engineering, for all the support. Thank you.